Hey folks, Cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen with produce from my ordinary backyard. And today, it's still tomato season, it's still garden season. We're gonna do our all-time favorite, and we've done this before. You can go back and see many videos of it. Peach salsa. Folks, this is a Johnson home favorite. We love to give this away. We love to eat it. And I've got some beautiful white peaches here. But first, along with me, is my ordinary grill dog. Well, you got to come over here and get in the camera. Sherman. Say hello, Sherman. Of course, everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over and pick it up. As I've taken about, I'm going to go with 15 pounds of big ripe beefsteak tomatoes, right? I've cored them, I've parboiled them, and I've been getting all that moisture out. And I've had these things on the stove since 7 o'clock this morning. You can see what they look like. It's a real nice, pasty, tomato, delectable delight. And this is going to make some fantastic salsa. So real simple, I'm going to take my white peaches and I'm going to have to skin these things, and luckily I'm an old apple peeler. I can do this relatively quickly. Use whatever kind of peaches you want. You can use pineapples. A jillion ways to make salsa, but I saw these peaches at the produce market this morning. They were the white peaches. I have white peaches in my orchard. They didn't come in this year, but these were soft, and see the white color to them? They almost look like apples. And then what I'm going to do is just dice these up real well. Get the pit out of there, of course. Always washing our hands when we cook. I'll tell you what, you can sneak a piece too. Oh my God, that is so good. We sure been having fun. We're on the road this week with trade show in Fort Worth. Stay tuned for that. A lot of great specials for our Clips customers, and of course, content. Helping people, promoting others. It's all about getting content. All right, so I'm just gonna dice these up. You know, I did buy a can of emergency peaches, but I think I'm gonna have enough. After we've got our peaches diced and sliced and made into hundreds of julienne fries, we are going to stir in the secret ingredient for salsa, and it's going to be a bit of a letdown. I'm going to tell you right up front. Wait for it. But I've done it from scratch. You know, I know what ingredients go into it, and I'm going to save everybody some time and some trouble here. Just take my advice. If you make it from scratch, great. I'm glad you used the right seasonings, but the pre-made mixes, you can't beat them. You really can't. And I am a huge fan of Mrs. Wages. And I just pour the Mrs. Dashes right in there to my juicy ripe red beef steaks. Stir that in real well. white peaches. And kind of have a gander at that. And we'll just pour our white peaches right in our salsa mix. I might use a little bit of the cling, the can. Yeah, maybe not. So, home canners, everybody has one. If not, look in your grandma's basement. So we're gonna take this off of the heat, our stock pot. This is kind of what you're looking for. Sometimes it takes these things a few minutes to seal, but you're looking to get that dude up in that 12-pound range. So that's about where I want it, right there. And then all I'm going to do is dial that heat back and try to hold it there as long as I can. 10 minutes or so. After it's sealed itself for about 10 minutes at 12 pounds and we've let that pressure go down, we gently take it out and we have the most delicious white peach salsa. And so I've got to try some. What do you think, Sherman? You want to try some? Huh? I've let this one chill. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is so good. Folks, fresh tomatoes, a little bit of Mrs. Dash's, white peaches, Grill Dog Sherman, you missed your cue. This is fantastic. Call me, I'll get you, I'll get you a taste. Kelbob, out.